SJ gang. So what is up, gang? How's it going? Hope everything is well. Look at my beautiful baby with the belly and the, oh my God. She had a watermelon seed and bada boom and bada bing. Now we got a whole bunch of Cartoon Network and Nickelodeon going on. Yeah. You did kind of say what up to the gang. Yo, so we're gonna start this video off with, all right, so we're gonna start the video off with codes. We're gonna say codes. Psych. We're gonna start the video off with Cody and the doctor's office and stuff, and everything's going good. Just a little sonogram and stuff. And then we got Mama Dukes out here. What you said? What you said? So we got her mom out here on the sniggity biggity lickety Louis Vuitton. Oh my yang. Got the Apollo 125 RZF, you feel me? The racing. Oh, 150, the 150. Got the 150 big wheel, 1714. Then you got the SSR 140 TR, big wheel. You feel me? Big wheel. Alright, yo, but what's going on out here, man?
So we're basically teaching my mom how to
yeah, we just block that sunlight. You see my shadow? I'm gonna woo with me. Naaman, woo with me. Tarzan, woo with me.
But we're basically teaching my mom how to ride. She doesn't know how to switch gears, so I was teaching her.
For the goods, right?
Yeah. And then I told her once she slows down, you know, you gotta put it all the way down. And she can't even start it now.
Oh! Whap, 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 whap. Yo, Hefe, all the way to neutral.
What's this? Down?
Down. It
is down.
All right, now start it.
Oh, I gotta put it.
Rompe. No, don't squeeze it. There you go. One more kick, it's gonna turn on. Oh, a little bit of gas, Hefe.
If you want, you can put the kickstand down and then hop on it like you was just doing.
Yeah. Yeah, this bike is different. Like, you gotta really, I don't know. It came like that. Like, it just does that kick. Oh, dang. Wait, you got this, come on. Yo, stop weak stroking it. Let me see if you got the switch right. Lisa, wow. Go ahead, kick it. Wait, oh, up, you gotta bring it more up. Right there, wait, one more. Keep them on. Oh, there you go.
Oh no, that had me dying.
Yeah, there you go. Alright, she doing alright, right?
Now.
Before that was kind of crazy, like. It was
that was crazy. I thought she was gonna fall.
I had it on camera. So I mean, the gang get to see her face. You know that, right? Yo, hold up. Rookie! Wop, wop, wop. Yo, Connor, what she said? Yo, make sure it's in neutral. Tell her. Yo, tell him, bad. What? Yo, look at all the stuff he was eating. Like, he got so much goodies on his face. Oh, okay. That's how you step into 2021? Yo, shut up. Yeah! Shut up. How you stepping? It's 2021. Okay.
Put the kickstand down.
Okay. Man.
It started.
Hey. Say Hefe. Uh-huh. Nobody at 12 o'clock like you.
You got this.
Let me go over there, man.
Wait, no.
Oh, all right. You feel me? You gotta do what you gotta do, gang. You feel me?
Your little man is already in position.
In position. Okay, talk to them nice. What else?
So his head is here.
Uh-huh.
What is she doing?
I don't know. Yo, guys, she just turned all the way around.
Oh, I think I know what she's doing.
You know how I started?
Yeah.
She's holding the clutch, though. All right.
She just has to learn how to turn with the bike. Once she turns, that's when it messes up.
Because she's not clicking down. Yo, bro. Yo, safety first. I'm not a school.
Yeah.
I'm not a...
No!
It happened again. Forever young. I want to be forever young. Connor, you don't go in this street. Do you see a man right there? A white man on a red hand? Huh? Do you see the white dotted lines across this street? You better man over there. Thank you.
She got
all right, that's what I'm talking about. What else you got to do?
So as I was
Connor, don't go over there. Go that way.
Cody's head is here.
Not in the street, Connor. You can't go on the street. The cars come through here. The big trucks. The big trucks, the big cars, everything come through here. And they go fast.
Hi.
That's bike.
Hi.
That's tire.
Hi.
Tire. Yeah, room over there. Go next to the dirt bike over there.
So his head is here. His butt is here.
Woo.
His arms are here and hands. And his leg. He just kicked me. And his legs are here. So far they said he's 5 pounds. I have no idea how.
And she's still kicking.
Yep. But he's 5 pounds. I'm 34 weeks pregnant. So he could be coming out any day now, literally. And there's a car coming.
See? Stay right there. There's a car coming. Stay right there, right? Stay there.
What, mommy?
Yeah, car. All right.
Mama is not coming. Wait. She's still having a hard time.
Hefe!
Well, sure it is.
Yo, go to neutral. Yeah, let me go help her. SSR 140 T on big wheel, not the small wheel. Oh, this dog was in gear.
Oh look, you a rookie.
I didn't know it. I knew it was in gear, but.
Oh. Oh, babe, she fell. Yo, she fell.
Right here. My bike.
Ah, you can't see. How do you like zoom? And Connor just fell. Yeah, go bam bam bam. Hey.
Mommy, check time.
Yeah, Scrap's crying.
Wait.
So guys, she's riding my bike. Well, it is my bike. It's just I haven't rode it at all. I just bought it. But you know the situation. Can't ride until he's out. Out in the street corner. Hey, go Connor. Hey. Yeah. Oh! I believe there's a car coming. They moved over. Wait. Oh. Yeah, it's a truck, baby. Connor said happy. Well guys, at least she fell on the grass instead of on the road itself. Yo, how the hell did you fall?
Yo, y'all seen that, right? She almost fell. Oh, you ain't see when she almost fell again? It's alright. Now you good, you good. Yo, God. I don't know what happened just now. But when she took off, what happened, Lisa? That's it?
Tired, yo, and then I bust my ass. I did the split, yo.
Not even, you went all the way back.
Yeah, because it went up.
I like
Sweating like crazy. Yeah, I know, Papa.
Move it! Yo, guys, y'all don't even understand. Like when she just took off, I said, yo, Lisa, told me give it a little bit of gas. She said, Mom, nah. What be running on the water like that? The lizard be running on the water like that. Look at my feet, show them my feet. She like this. I catch balance with the bike. I'm like, all right, hopefully she's smart enough to let the gas go and the bike come back down. She did that. Yo, all she gotta do is work on is clutch release, back brake, and throttle control. That's it. Once you get that.
And turning while the bike is still in motion.
Yo, remember, when you slow down, click down the first gear, and while you turn, give it a little tiny bit of gas. That's it. You got it.
But I said you're lucky you didn't fall on the road. You fell on the grass itself.
Yo,
Because I went and it skied the back.
but yo, that could have been a different story. Like, that's a lot to say right there. She's so nervous, she rubbing her head.
She's sweating too.
Like, I've seen fear before. But fear, Connor,
Connor, watch your car.
fear comes in many different shapes and sizes, guys. Fear comes in many different shapes and sizes. So, I mean, only way you can get better is if you keep riding. She gotta keep riding. She got a couple things to work on, guys. But yo, I ain't gonna say, yo, we didn't even say this in the beginning of the vlog. Yo, if you're new to the family and you new to these vlogs, just like, comment, share, and subscribe. You already know you feeling the vibes. Like, what's up? Like, hey, what's up? Like, yo, come join the gang. Come join the family. Come join the wave. Like, you know what I mean? Join the family, the gang, and the wave. Like,
Oh, we didn't tell them.
nah. We bought a fender bender.
I'm done. So guys, we actually did move. I guess it'll be for another video,
Yeah, another video.
but at least you guys get a sneak peek of our front house and then the garage.
We're out in the hillbilly top hillbilly.
And yes, we have acres and acres of land. Hey.
Yo, come move with me now. Let me stop. Yo, we definitely made a big move. You feel me? We had to make it out the hood in order to live good, you know? Cause I'm tired of apartments, paying storage for bikes. We got little mans up. We got both babies here.
Yes, number 1, number 2 coming.
Everything that you can't just think about yourself. Don't forget. Like the city is always gonna be lit. The block is always gonna be lit. But it's a different story when you got kids. Because now you gotta think about your kids, you know. You want a better life for them. You feel me? Give them stuff they never had. I grew up in a project. I'm gonna give you the fuck. I grew up in a project, non-stop violence, like, you feel me? Or the mini projects, you know, all the buildings look the same on one block. That's a mini jet, you heard? I call it the jet. Like, you feel me? And I'm from HD where it gets spicy, like it gets real spicy. So
Yeah,
just for us to come out the trenches and come to the hills where you can wake up and see deers, I was like, oh, so nice. That's so nice, you know? You feel me? From back, oh, they fucking, oh, skip me. You feel me? Just opening your windows like, you know how you brush your teeth in the wintertime, you take a sip of water, it'd be like that, winter fresh. That's how it is up here, you know? I can ride my bike whenever I want without worrying about police, you know, so that's all that counts. That little smile on that little man's face, that's it, you know, you're doing something good. So, yo, but let me give y'all a montage of this bike real quick. You already know the vibe. One time for the time. Okay, so we got the SSR. Woo. And then you got the Apollo. Hold up, you got the RZF. So Lisa, yo, what's going on? You getting back on?
In a minute.
In a minute?
In a
Still a
minute.
little rattle right there?
In a minute.
Alright, she's still a little rattle, guys.
Oh yeah, that's how you did.
Alright. She's still a little rattle.
Gotta give me a chance. I never rode a motorcycle. Dirt bike.
Gonna say SJ, gang. Say it again. SJ, gang. Yo, give him a 5, Hey, give him a 5 again. Hey, that's a no. That's a no. Hey, okay. Jay's on my feet. You know what? Jay's on my feet.
Yo, these internet people ain't coming.
David's already
See, I think we got one.
Hold on, the father. 7 inches like Monopoly. Ain't nothing stopping me. That's why they just don't plot me. Flipping it just like Monopoly.